Myersville video. This is the utility room downstairs. Perfect for treasure hunters. Already found some treasure. Again, this is part 2. Part 1, go back and see it if you missed it. That safe is for sale. That's pretty cool. There's a better shot of the safe. These two are not for sale, but this washer dryer are for sale if you need a washer dryer. Good pieces. We're going to head upstairs from the apartment area now. See what's upstairs in the second floor. Oh, there's several gun safes here, by the way. We have 2 of these stack-on types of rifle safes. Large commercial fan, another utility room, and more tools towards the basement. And we have a gravity chair if you have anyone needing elderly support that goes up the stairs. A little wine bar as you come up from the basement stairs. Here's a close-up of those electronics one more time. They're a lot of fun. Check out that Royal. We have 2 of these Royal typewriters. Again, lots of classic video equipment and electronics. And we're upstairs now. Give you a view of the crosswalk above the house. It's pretty ornate. Some nice decorative floral pieces. Give you an overview picture of the sail below. And get a feel for the magnitude of it. It's big. Upstairs there's a hobby room. For those of you who are into hobbying things, including wrapping and seasonal